Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Asana with Claude. To begin, open Claude and go to the New Chat page. Starting from a fresh chat is a simple way to make sure you're in the right workspace before adjusting any settings. Once the page is loaded, look over to the left-hand navigation panel. In that left sidebar, click on Customize. This is where Claude lets you manage additional tools, settings, and integrations that can expand what it can work with. If you don't immediately notice it, take a moment to scan the navigation carefully, since menu layouts can vary slightly depending on your account view or screen size. After opening the Customize area, click on Connectors. This section is specifically for linking external apps and services to Claude. Connectors allow Claude to work more directly with tools you already use, and in this case, that means setting up access to Asana. Once you're in the Connectors section, move to the top right corner and click Add. This opens the option to bring in a new connector. It's the starting point for adding any supported integration, so if you've never connected an app before, this is exactly where you want to be. Next, click on Browse Connectors. This will display the available connector library where you can search for the service you want to link. The list may include several options, so using the search function will help you find Asana quickly. In the search field, type Asana. As you enter it, matching results should appear. This is the fastest way to narrow down the available connectors and avoid scrolling through the full list. When Asana appears in the results, click on Asana. This opens a specific connector setup for that app and prepares Claude to begin the connection process. From there, click Connect. After selecting it, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. Depending on your account and permissions, you may be asked to sign into Asana, approve access, or confirm authorization details. Just continue through each prompt as it appears until the connection is complete. Once finished, Claude should be connected to Asana and ready to use with that integration. If anything doesn't look right during setup, it can help to go back and confirm that you selected the correct connector and completed all authorization prompts. That's it. You've successfully gone through the process of connecting Asana with Claude.